Hey there guys, my name is Marcus Cryptolius, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily earn daily interest on cryptocurrencies on Binance and how you can work with savings on Binance. So you want to come here to Binance and savings, and then you have two options here to have flexible savings and locked savings. Now I will explain to you how they work. So in flexible savings, flexible to transfer and safe to earn, this is the flexible savings that you can actually withdraw. You can also expand all the products, like you see, I don't know, 1 inch here, and you see 3.29 yield. What does it mean? Is that's an annual percentage yield, how much money you're gonna earn, right? What you can do is to simply go click here to transfer. And what is really great thing that about Bitcoin that I would like transfer, like here, 7-day API, and also you see the maximum subscription that you can have. Then you can also the interest calculation rule. In the rule, the interest amount is calculated and distributed daily based on your available flexible saving assets. The interest amount is rounded down to 8 decimal places. And this is like really great way how you can make money. About flexible savings, the one thing that I really like is that you can withdraw it anytime. And that's like quite great. And you have a lot of currencies that you can actually buy. You have even Doge here. And then the second one is locked savings, but you have only USDT, BUSD, and USDC. These are the three that I have. I don't know which you're gonna have, that if you're gonna have more. And same with those, but you have to actually lock them. The more days you're gonna lock them, the more money you're gonna earn. You see right here that BUSD for Bitcoin, I'm going to for 30 days, annualized interest rate 7%. I can simply click transfer, and then you can really choose and then transfer confirmed. So this is how it works, and this is how simple it is. I recommend doing that if you're interested in like earning money. If you want to hold for years. So let's say that you want to hold Bitcoin, right? What you can do is to transfer and just hold there, right? And you can also auto transfer. Or you can even use, I don't know, with euro, whatever. And then you would go to wallet and you would see, click here on earn. And this is where you would find it then. On savings, locked staking. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.